Sometimes you have a small space, but you have no idea what you can do in this small space. Today, we're going to talk about container and designing small spaces for your backyard without causing you a bunch of money. Okay, we're doing a series. This is part 4. Container garden series, part 4. There's part 1, there's part 2, there's part 3. You could always go back. You could check on my playlists. I have them on my playlist. So I'm gonna have a whole series about container garden. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so look at it. Look at the whole design. Small place. This is 121 square feet right here. 121 square feet. Within this area, look how much food we can actually grow within this area with all these containers. Look, watch, look here. This is a beautiful design here. I'm just hoping that you guys can see this and maybe you guys could find a deal with these containers. Look how this is set up right here. Let me show you. You could create a beautiful raised bed with these containers. So we have this one and we have these with beautiful hangers. So how we do that, we set them up with the hangers out there in case we want to take them and move them. So we set them with the hanger, one there. Remember to put the hangers outwards. One here, and we're gonna put the next one here. Now, what we do, we need one here and one here. And just like that, you have a raised bed right in this area here. Okay? Now, after you create your raised bed here, you wanna have space. You wanna have space to walk right around. You wanna have space. Another thing you wanna make sure, you have enough space to go between each containers. You have to have space to go between each containers so you make sure you're able to walk through without any problem. You see? This is very important. So you set up the container accordingly so you have enough space. This is a yam. This is a yam I'm actually growing. Looking beautiful. I might transfer this yam to this. Or I might put it in ground. In this container here, we have an avocado growing nicely. You see? That's the avocado growing nicely. We have turmeric growing here. But there's another one sprout right there. But we're gonna leave it there for now. And we're gonna put a pepper in this. We're gonna put a herbs in this. We're gonna put an okra in this. These are the plants. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put here. I have a cabbage down in this one right now. So all of them is so much food you can grow in this little area, guys. So much food, so much different type of food. In this little area here, you could plant so much different herbs. You could plant tomatoes, you could plant herbs, you could plant cabbage. What type of food you want to plant, you can do it. So 121 square feet. Look how much food you could plant. And you could plant more. You can plant more. This is just the beginning. This is how I'm showing you how to utilize your space and grow tons of food. Now, in these areas, we also could create some barriers, go around and plant beans, like string beans, around. Build some trail around and plant string beans. You see? So this is how we utilize our space. Alright? I hope this video can help someone. I hope this video can motivate someone. I hope this video can make someone get outside, start to grab containers. And the good thing about it, guys, you don't have to go out there and spend a bunch of money in containers. I get this container for $2. They was on sale, $2 for one of these. So check out, go to the store, check them out, see what they have for sale, and just put your container them together. And just like that, you create a beautiful garden in a small space. Thank you.